To send money to someone on Revolut, start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device and logging in with your passcode. Once you're logged in, you'll see your home page, where you'll need to tap on the transfer option at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a page with various options for sending money. You can enter the recipient's name, or use their phone number, email address, or a unique identifier to initiate the transfer. Alternatively, you can tap on the New option at the top right to access additional transfer methods, such as sending money to a bank account, card account, or crypto wallet. If you choose to send money to a bank account, you'll need to enter the recipient's bank code, account number, and name. You can also add their email address if desired. After entering the required details, tap Add Recipient to save their information. Once the recipient is added, you can select them and enter the amount you want to send, along with the account you're transferring from. This will complete the transaction, allowing you to successfully send money to someone through Revolut.